Ever dream of a place where mountains meet the ocean, where every breath feels like freedom? Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa, a vibrant haven that's stunning and welcoming for all travelers. From the iconic Table Mountain to the lively streets of Bo Cap, every corner here tells a story of culture and resilience. Cape Town isn't just breathtaking, it's a safe, inclusive destination for Black and LGBTQ+ travelers. Stroll through Greenpoint Urban Park, a hub for community and celebration, or explore hidden beaches like Llandudno, offering peace and pure beauty. And the food? Let's just say your taste buds are in for an adventure. Best tip? Visit between November and March for perfect weather. Every step here feels like a warm embrace. Pack your bags because Cape Town isn't just a destination, it's a celebration of who you are. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below.